Good morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. We had CPI this morning, so that CPI, I don't know what it came like, but I know SPY, the whole market reacted kind of well to that. So let's see how that print look. So today is a beautiful Tuesday. So let's see how the stock market is gonna manifest that. We have like roughly like a 1 degrees, minus 1 degrees in the worst case instead of minus 11. So I won't complain about that. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, Divi, and you?
Nice.
It's
Pretty
not
good.
too cold outside.
Yeah, pretty good. It's slushy a bit, but like we don't complain about that, you know. So yeah,
Yeah, a
everything
little
good.
slushy, but hey, it's not minus 70.
Okay. So yeah, so that makes sense. So I see that core inflation rate month to month came a little bit better than consensus. The consensus was 0.3%, and it came 0.2%.
And we've got a big pop.
Yeah,
Morning,
very nice
right?
big pop. Like basically the core inflation rate, month to month and year to year is reflecting like better numbers basically. So it's looking a little bit better there. So let's see how it does. Yeah. So inflation rate month to month, just not the core inflation, the inflation rate 0.3, and the year to year is right in line 2.7. CPI previously was 324.12. The actual is 324.05. So pretty good CPI compared to last one. So that's a positive print in my opinion. So we're just gonna see what the market wants to do. I had a little short for Nvidia, so I think Nvidia will need to bleed a little bit more. So I kept my short in there.
Okay.
While Google, did you guys look at Google? Like Google is just flying, man. Like this thing is just. Yeah, thank you. I forgot the map. Sorry about that. So just give me a minute. But look at that chart of Google.
That's
Like
insane.
we went like roughly $4 overnight.
And you still have it.
Yeah, for sure.
Delicious empanadas.
My pleasure. So
Yeah, I'm lucky enough this morning to have an empanada. So, sorry for the crunch time to time.
that's good.
But what a beautiful breakfast to have. A Dominican breakfast.
Yeah, I guess we cannot say that it's a healthy one, but hey, it works.
Wow, okay. So I was just looking at SPY. Like you said, Davey, super green. Super green market.
Yeah, I'll be there with the map. I'm sorry about that. It's
No.
so Google. So I'm gonna be back to my levels in a minute.
So,
Mm-hmm.
Intel as well, really big.
Yeah, big pop.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Seems like the government is speaking or supporting Intel right now.
Nice.
So 45.50 is a
Sorry.
big level, not a
So
problem.
there you can see if somebody says something, you will be able to see the chat.
Thank you, Davey. So number one in volume at this moment, we still have 15 minutes, but the Qs are top in there. So Qs, we've got INTC second in line, AMD. Now there's a player we haven't heard in a while.
Yeah, AMD is there.
Mm-hmm. Seems to have a good position at 216, which seems to be the pop this morning. So looking at that there. We've got Apple, that's number 4, Nvidia, again. And really strong level or position at 185 for NVIDIA.
Yeah, like basically the resistance point is at 186, but it's looking like today, like if you want to break through, is it gonna be legitimately breaking through? I don't know. Let's see what it does.
We've got positions at 187 and 188 on NVIDIA.
I forgot to do that. That's what I'm supposed to be doing.
JP Morgan is having a conference. Very red. We'll see what's going to happen there.
JP Morgan. All right. Yeah, like no holding the VWAP or pre-market at all. So, but we're gonna have to wait for that one to manifest. So, I want to check my levels for NVDA. It's funny when you type NVIDIA in your search bar, like for window, and you have NVDA there because it's the graphic card is like for example here, I shouldn't be typing NVIDIA there, but if you type NVIDIA, it's the app for the graphics.
Ah.
All right, so looking for the levels on NVIDIA, as I just say, we have a decent level at 188.36. Yeah, I don't have any hope that it will get there. And the other is way lower. Let's see, way lower where we have those levels. Yeah, this is the one that I care about, the one I'm gonna say in a minute, which is at 185.71. So I'm gonna drop a line right there. $185.70 right there. So I'm not expecting NVIDIA to go above that line for now. So let's see what it does. We're gonna definitely take our time here. So SAC. Is there any ticket that you are looking at before the open? No?
Right now, analyzing.
Mm-hmm.
RCAT has not been, so for me, RCAT, TQQ,
Mm-hmm.
I was looking at open, but I'm not sure about that. Now we've got Oklo that I'm looking here.
Oklo. Yeah, Arca has a very nice pop. Oklo had a pop too with the CPI, but it's already coming down quite a lot.
I think everything has.
Mm-hmm.
It's the word to take it.
Do you have any favorite size, like side, like down, up? No?
Yes, so right now I'm looking at Oklo would be a long,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm looking at a long at 105. Now, that would be, you know what, as I'm doing that, let's put one in.
105, you say?
Yeah, it's almost there now. Let's see what's going to happen with the orders and population. But yeah, it would be at 105. So let's put a little order of Oklo 105. I am interested in TQQs.
Yeah, the Qs, pretty sure they are very correlated with the
Sorry.
SPY.
Okay.
Yeah, actually the Qs probably looking. The Qs are more quiet, but they are like having like a kind of a rounded bottom in there, around
Okay.
the VWAP. While the SPY like above the VWAP actually. The SPY is more like it dipped and now it's coming back up little by little.
The Qs is above the VWAP.
That's what I say.
Okay. Yeah, and both are. Yeah, they look identical.
Yeah, like basically what I'm saying, SPY is above the VWAP, but it pierced by a little bit more.
True.
Like it's looking less rounded at the bottom, close to the VWAP.
Good observation. At 56, I believe.
So what I'm trying to identify, let's say for my NVIDIA here, because I don't want to be too convinced of any direction. So like NVIDIA, like if you see, it's swung a little bit more there, but like that's not a lot. It's basically around 20 cents, you know. So it's not 25 yet. So let's see how it looks if we want to survive. Yeah, we can survive the high of the day if we would like to. So, and that's not too costly. So we're gonna hold it, and we have a tight stop loss compared to what we had yesterday. So let's just not repeat the same mistake I did yesterday. So like I still finished the day red yesterday, but like it was okay. Let's just not repeat the same mistake today. So yes, I will take a loss if we go back up, but it's gonna be a small loss. And if he doesn't have the juice to really go higher, well then, like, we will print decent. So we have building permits at 830 was? Yeah, 830 as well. Like that's indicative of if the economy is slowing down or not. And the actual number is right in line. I'm surprised for how many numbers today are like kind of flat, like related to the CPI and to the building permits. Like at 10 we're gonna get new home sales, so that we have to watch out for that one.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, 23 seconds. So I'm gonna take a look around every stock that I have on my watch list. So
Okay.
we have INTC. So let's see how INTC is looking like. Holding the VWAP quite good for the pre-market. Oh my goodness. Look at this VWAP.
45.50.
Holding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly 7 times interaction with the VWAP. And just coming back up right away. Let's see if we have a major level for the INTC around
So
that price.
I've got 45.50.
45.50. Okay, let's see. Probably my level is gonna be a little bit below that. Yes, my level is a little bit below that. So if I would like to go long INTC, I wouldn't be looking long until 44. What means that is not a long right now because we are too extended for the hope side. So wait for, I am wrong on that one. I'm definitely wrong on that one. Yeah, my bad. I didn't see the pre-market print in the other software. Yeah, the level I'm talking about is, dead on 45.50.
Oh, excellent.
So I actually have 45.46. It's just 4 cents difference. Like I think it doesn't make that big of a difference.
I'm gonna put a little order there.
But I will say that if you break the 45.50,
It's a short?
It's a short.
Agreed with you.
So that's roughly 40 cents toward the downside. So if you feel like you can take a small position and start building up as it breaks through the 45, if ever it's gonna be short. But let's see. Toward the upside, I don't have anything right now because I don't have historical price for that price action there. So. So the other one I have is AMD. So basically this guy, this INTC, just to be clear about what I want to do with this. If I'm gonna be taking a trade on INTC, I will wait for it to get under stress, probably to the short side, because yeah, something is going on, like they are talking, you say, from the government. And yeah, so yeah, if we have any clear signal to the downside, it could worst it looking for it to break 45.50. And if it does break 45.50, probably we can count on the, let's see, into something like at least 45 for sure, but then probably 44, which is the previous station that I have on my list. So like, which is quite far, you know, that's very far. So risk to reward ratio, that may worst it. But yeah, let's see. So the other one is AMD. So AMD popping up as well, like very nice VWAP holding. Yeah, I have a level for AMD. I'm gonna for that one right now. So 217.62. Right, 217. Right there. So if he goes there, yeah, from here to the VWAP, man, that's a little bit waggy. That's kind of waggy there. So I'm just gonna stay right now. So let's see if we are correct about that one. 213.20. So 213 and 20 for so let's see how it does. So yeah, market is about to open roughly 1 minute. Hello, what's up? How are you doing, Zach?
Here.
I hear you, but kind of far. Hello, Stevenson. I don't know if I mispronounce your name in the chat, but like Stem. Is that the way I pronounce it? We don't trade gold here, but we look at it eventually as a correlated product. So Zach, you have a problem with your mic?
Hello.
Hello. Now I hear you. Perfect.
I was my AirPods.
Mm-hmm.
Work.
Okay.
How are you guys doing today?
Pretty
Good, Jew.
Pretty good. Nice. So yeah, basically we trade futures and stocks. So Maria's already trading futures, and like I will begin by Monday. Like Zach also trade futures, the guy at the other side of the mic, and yeah. We had a follower that was trading gold as well, Helia, like. All right, so there we go. This is looking a little bit flushy, you know. So watch out, everybody. Like market that's a little bit spicy.
Order filled.
A SPY right now lost the VWAP, but like let's make sure that we know that this is just the open, you know. So we're gonna take some partials very soon, and yeah, let's see. It's gonna break my level. The momentum that this thing have, like a SPY right now, like sorry, Nvidia.
So SPY's at the VWAP.
Yeah, I have a line down here, if you can see. So the momentum that we are approaching the line is dangerous. Like look how that 5-minute candle is just going with a lot of strength toward the downside. So I'm expecting that level to not hold. So it's gonna hold for a little bit because it held by the penny last time, but this time it's a little bit more violent, I would say. Yeah, it took a long time to get there before. Right now we are getting there since the open, so we have momentum to go even lower. So
Your Google is 37, almost 38.
sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your
What is
Google,
Oh yeah, I'm printing good in Google.
38.
But look at that thing. Look at that thing. I checked yesterday. My order is at 46. I say it's at 41, but it's not at 41. It's at 46. Today is a day to sell Google. That's a for sure. My guy, we are printing so well in that one.
Nice.
At some point, I think I won't be able to talk too much about my swing trades because yeah. There is a little problem with that, but we're gonna work on that one. So if you see, like that's what I was saying basically. Like we go in the 5-minute here. Previous time that we interact with this level, we bounce by the penny. But right now we are breaking down a little bit. So that's too much piercing. I know it's the open, but before, I don't think it's gonna hold that well. So I'm gonna take partials anyways. Next time we interact there for sure. So I'm actually gonna drop off the order like that. I don't sleep on it. So there we go. So yeah, order is in for that partial. So we're gonna partial right away. Come on, go down. You can go a little bit lower.
That's short, David.
Thank you, buddy.
So today I need to go at like 10, around 10:10. I'm gonna have 2 days like that.
Yeah. I know, like it's gonna be changing more and more as you advance through. So
But it's tricky to get an entry in the morning and just maybe hold it. And
do you use a lot of trailing stops? No,
I don't use them.
you don't use it. Okay.
So,
So as I say, I have my order to take partials here, so I just wait for it. I don't have to rush it, as I say. The momentum from the open was quite intense.
Order filled.
took 2 partials.
Nice.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
That was TQ.
That was futures.
Oh, look at you.
You're long or short?
I was long.
Pretty nice.
Might get something at VWAP there.
Patient. So those tapes are looking bearish, that's a for sure. Like if you see the bid, it's quite heavy toward the downside. While the ask is it doesn't have much interest right now. So we have to wait. I have to make sure I stop sleeping too much on those partials. And
Just tell me, I'll tell you. Take partial.
thank you, Zach.
Like your boss.
He'll be your reminder.
Oh, he will be pretty good for that, you know? That's for sure.
Let's go.
Nice.
Though I didn't take partial, I'm gonna be breaking even on that trade. I don't want to take a loss after it's 4 hours, so. I don't want to partial it now because it's gonna be a waste. But
Partial.
it's funny because I think I can put an audio that say like every time that is X hours, like partial, but like.
I have an order at 694.97.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine.
Let me look at that.
Drop.
So what is your take on the CPI print?
Was better than expected.
It was kind of flat.
A bit better.
Like it's kind of impressive how many like very close to the expectations number we got today. So that's so
I think my cat wants to trade future.
dangerous.
He wants to trade mini too.
Oh yeah.
Risky cat, eh?
Wow, those are a lot of prices in your chart.
Right? Like I've got to fix things.
What time frame is
because,
that?
Like, I've got to fix it. It's a minute.
I think you have the double orders eventually.
No.
No? Or instead you put your order stop loss very close. Ah, you went heavy on it.
Nope.
No?
Nope. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
No, it's
I'm
just like,
gonna grow heavy? No.
Like
no, everything is.
I see your stop
it's
loss
because-
right behind your entry.
Nope.
Where is your stop loss? Eh?
It's not behind my entry. But what
But like
happens
you
right
have two
now
orders right beside.
is I'm
The
not.
red and the green, right there. Those are two orders like that are there.
Yeah, I've got a trailing stop loss.
That's what you have in there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's right behind. So
It keeps following it. Yeah, you are
It's
correct.
right behind it, you know?
You are correct. It keeps following it. Okay. I do apologize, people, but
just let me know if I have to go to the ophthalmology or something like that. But it looks like
it's because everything is so condensed in my.
so sorry. You know how you fix it? Look at me. this is the same chart. So you click where the price is right here. You do like this or like that. You just zoom out. Yeah, that's why I remember. You can lock in that like that never happened.
No.
No, you have to let it press. You click and you hold it, and then you expand. No, like you see here, the price where you see the price. You click, keep it hold, and then you basically look at mine. I'm gonna go in the 5 minute. If you see
Davey, if I press on it, nothing. Okay. We're gonna do after. Wait.
because you cannot see anything there.
Wait. You are correct. How do I get out of this?
But your chart is too zoomed in.
You know that we are able to squeeze the price. So she had
Yeah, we can.
the whole chart squeezed, so the price and everything is just looking like a line. Very good. You see lower there on the right there, that. Click it, hold it. No, you have to click, hold it. Now go up. Okay, here doesn't do it. You have
I
it.
told you. I tried it 3 times. I said,
Okay,
mine
no,
goes
that's
to
the
me.
indicator. You have to do it higher up.
Yeah, on the
There.
price.
There. Now click. No, there. No, there. Beside.
I click.
No, it's not in the right place.
So click where the price is on the right.
There, yeah. But lower, go lower, just because you have an order there. There. Just go there. No, there. I'm sorry. I'll be back to you in a minute. Just like this. Look. Like this, and then you do. Now that's why the stop loss was seeing it behind.
You guys figured that out?
Yeah.
Yeah, Davey's figuring it out. Thank you, Davey.
My pleasure. And the indicators, you're able to hide it if you just click the little arrow on the left. You see here, like I have indicators, so right before below it say the quote, there is an arrow that you can click, and it hide all of them. Like it hide
These.
the legend. No. Go more on the right. Like I will show you. Like if you go right here. Right here, this arrow. The indicators are still there, but now they are not in your way.
Oh, yeah. Fill me in.
Ooh la la!
Order filled.
Nice, I got filled.
That's my
Perfect
guy.
entry, my guy. Let's go the week.
Let me guess, the only way to get it with a limit order.
Yeah. Damn right.
Damn right. I like. He's happy today. That means he has some cash already on his pocket. That
I can move right away in my favor, so let's see.
instant in the money.
But catching those candles are the best. Like,
That's the only type of trade I want to have for my future account. Especially if you can go that precise and you can say, hey, get me out at 1 hour precisely. What is preventing you from going max size?
Order filled.
All right, so let's see what we find here.
Order filled.
Did you guys look at AMD? Holy cannoli.
Yeah, that was in this morning, right?
No, but like I was looking at it before the open and it was sleeping around. And it went to what? It literally went, let's see, AMD went roughly $5 up. More than that. $8 up. Oh my god. You remember I put the line here like 17.64. It's like, what the heck? AMD going high and Nvidia taking a vacation in the Caribbean. Like Nvidia, I don't know why. Like, well, I know why, but like I just don't expect it to be that tough for NVDA.
Like yesterday, I had my first Spanish class.
Oh, and
¿Cómo te fue?
Like,
¿Cómo te fue?
bueno.
Bueno. Yeah, look at you.
look at you.
That's my
But
guy.
like the teacher, just as a joke, he started the class talking all in, like, in Spanish super quick, and everybody was like, "Holy shit."
Nice.
Yeah, it was pretty good. It's pretty entertaining. Like,
Was it
like he makes it really
fun?
activities and things like that.
Okay.
The spy's breaking down, so watch out. Piercing the opening range. Sorry. I have to eat some carrots to keep my brain healthy. Your teacher is a person that it's her his or her first language is Spanish, or is
It's French, and he went to live in Argentina for 8 years.
I may have.
And he went to Madrid a bit too.
I may have a good joke for you to tell to your teacher. I actually teach that joke to my daughter because yeah, they say like a dog in Argentina, it doesn't bark like a regular dog. He say how.
Oh yeah,
You remember?
See,
What does that mean?
If you have went to Argentina, they say like they before they're gonna say anything, they say Mari, ¿cómo está tu tío?
Oh, he said that too.
Yeah, exactly. But it's a pretentious way of talking. So of course it's cultural. Like I'm not judging any of them. Like I don't have like enough. Like yeah, there is no judgment to do about that. It's just a joke. So yeah, so they say pásame el lápiz, o ¿dónde está el baño? And like so my favorite comedian from my country has a joke that say that like a dog in Argentina doesn't regular bark, so it just doesn't say how. It say how, because even the dog is pretentious.
Yes.
So if you say that to him, he, especially if he wasn't from there, he may find it pretty funny. If he is from there, well, maybe he will get you out of his class. Ay, ay, ay.
that'd be funny.
But yeah, like he was doing a lot.
Oh yeah, but that doesn't go in Spanish, you know? Like it's just like that's Argentina specifically.
We learned too that I didn't know is like the V in front of a sentence is a B. Like Venezuela.
It's not that's man. Now I have to talk to your teacher, my guy. Is he gonna teach you proper English, Spanish, or what? Like, you know? No, I'm kidding. So what is happening there, Zach, is that like the only people that I know that speak proper French is whoever speak French Europe side, like basically Spain. I don't know which other, but like we mispronounce many words just because a cultural dialect or whatever. So like, but in reality, a V is a V, not a B. So
A what?
like the sample that Zach say
Mm-hmm.
is incorrect. You know, a V is a V. It's a B, not a V. The Violeta. So if you go to Spain and you do that, they will correct you and say no, it's not B, it's V. But if you go to
Where do they say B?
Dominican Republic.
they say it in Dominican Republic, they say it in Guatemala, they say it in Mexico. Like
So you say Venezuela.
we say Venezuela, and it's a mistake. It's a mistake that many people from our own culture doesn't recognize that it's a mistake.
Yeah, but he's teaching a bit both. Like from like in South, like how they talk in South America and Latin America and in
Yeah.
Spain.
Yeah,
Like I know in Spain, I don't remember, but they say the like the sound th in
Yeah.
English.
hmm
They say it a lot in the words, but I don't remember which letter they say that. But
maybe Z. Corazón.
yeah, that's what it was.
Hostia.
So you guys say Z as a
Yeah.
S, right?
Yeah, exactly, my guy.
And they say as a th.
So like, and like maybe that like maybe I am the ignorant in that one because La Real Academia Española, I don't know, like I don't remember, like, but there is a academy that regulate all those things, and they
Mhm.
have been
Yeah, I'm following it.
incorporating a lot of like slang that have been like adopted.
Mm-hmm.
So they say now it's correct, but like I don't know up to which extent. But yeah, that's cool, my guy. So you're gonna be able to speak Espanol, and you're gonna be able to speak Espanol.
Yeah, because they always put their tongue in their front teeth.
Yeah,
Just like Davey when he says thousands.
thousands. Yeah, what happened with thousands?
Thousands. Thousands.
We were practicing to the double R.
Error. Yeah.
Oh. But a lot of people cannot do that sound.
Yeah, it's like when I try to do whoosh, whoosh. It doesn't come out.
Rouge.
Whoosh. The way you pronounce rouge for me is very hard,
Rouge.
but it's the same way how you can like
Yeah, but it's like perro. Rouge. It's the same sound.
perro,
Perro.
rojo,
Rojo. Rouge.
rouge.
See?
What would be another that would be hard to say in French?
Arrangé.
Arrangé.
Yeah, you eat it. That's weird. How can you eat an R?
How you cannot vomit it?
Rouge. Rojo. Wow.
Ooh la la.
Order filled.
So
Okay.
yesterday I enter the class and I say, "Hijo tu mama, beep beep beep."
You did not.
You didn't say that.
No, I didn't say that.
No.
Just give me a second. You should tell him your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do not repeat it. Ay, ay, ay.
Order filled.
Yeah, like we were presenting ourselves to another person,
Mm-hmm.
and like one of the question was like, why would you like to learn Spanish?
Mm-hmm.
Where
Can I
did you
say,
want to learn?
Hmm? Was why do you want to learn Spanish? Like to travel? Why are you in that class? That was
And
the
you
question.
tell them I have a Mexican friend that he invited me to his country.
A Mexican friend.
And I told the guy beside me, like, friend that talks Spanish, and he taught me a bit of words, but mostly like bad words.
I teach you good ones too, you know? Don't throw me under the bus like that.
Under the bus, buddy. Under the bus.
Sorry, my guy.
No, it's good, I'm kidding. He doesn't even know me.
No.
Are you throwing under the bus before when you say that he's teaching you Argentine Spanish?
So if I go in your country talking like that, they're gonna laugh at my ass.
Probably they won't laugh, but they will ask you why you speak Spanish like that if you are coming from Canada.
That's funny.
But to be honest, I find all those accents, I find them so cute. It's yeah, it's a very nice stuff, you know.
And you know when the N has an accent, like a wave on top?
Like naranjo.
Oh. Yeah, it's pronounced like between
Like
a V and a
senor.
B.
Like what?
Like the N when it's got the on top.
Oh, for French.
Yeah, no, for Espanol.
Oh,
like
yeah, like
like
llame.
señor.
Señor, llame, oui.
He was saying that you need to pronounce it
Like a ña.
in between a V and a B.
Okay.
Senor,
No.
I don't know.
Señor.
Señor.
Say, do you do that? How do you do senor?
Señor.
Señor. Señor.
Like
No.
a señorita. It's like a ña.
Señorita.
ña. So I don't know where he gets his V or B, but
Yeah.
wow, you should go and teach.
It's funny because like I was at a school teacher like for maybe 1 month or two. I was teaching English classes, but
Okay, I just turned around real slow, like if it was like.
oh yeah, no, like
exorcist.
I wasn't working at all at that time. I was just studying, and like I have a friend that he was a teacher, like he was a real teacher, so he was off work for a little bit, and
Okay.
I came to substitute like as,
Okay.
so it was cool, but like yeah, you need a lot of patience.
Okay, so we're gonna have numbers coming in for home sales.
And at my job, at some point, I was an evaluator. You didn't know that either?
Evaluator, I didn't.
Yeah,
know.
like
HR.
Yeah, no, but like evaluator from before like HR. It wasn't HR too, but like what I say, like I was applying tests to people, cognitive tests, and like psychological tests and things like that. So it's like
Psychological.
like
test.
I talked with a friend. When was I talked with him? I think it was during this weekend, and he just say, "Haha, what's up, Mr. Evaluator?" Because everybody, as they don't know, they forget your name. The guy from evaluation just told me this, Mr. Evaluator, and I say, okay. So Mr. Evaluator stick to me for a little bit too long.
Okay,
So, yeah.
so numbers are coming in. I don't see.
I will be curious to know why your teacher decided to pick the region to teach his Spanish. Because
The what?
like why he doesn't have a neutral.
Yeah, but he has a neutral, but
Oh, exactly. But like why he's not using the neutral.
because he's used to it, I guess. So I have to go, guys. And a
Okay.
short day, short trading day, but I have a position long. And let's see how it goes. It's red for now, so
Okay.
red for now.
Okay, my guy. So you keep going good there. I hope you have a good day. So
Yes.
you
And
guys is not
I'll
too
be
cold
there
there, right?
tomorrow for longer. It's just on the Tuesday and Thursday and
Okay.
Friday. Tuesday and Friday that I we got then.
Okay, nice.
So see you guys.
See you then. Have fun.
Bye. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
So SPY just keep going down, and Nvidia is trying to break the opening range again. So man,
Okay, so there I've got a level for SPY. And it seems like it doesn't want to hold it.
yeah, it's dropping quite fast.
I breaking even on the Qs.
We have numbers now. You remember?
Yep, I told you
You-
twice.
Oh, sorry about that.
But you guys were having a good conversation, so. No, I told you they were coming in, but we don't have the.
No, I know. I know we don't have them, but that was not what I was doing. So
Ah. Whew. What a drop.
so let's see. So basically, new home sales. The previous was 0. Actually, yeah, 738,000 was previously. Right now, it's just 1,000 less. It's 737,000.
Wow.
So that will be like, so then we have the month to month. That was the yearly one. Previously was 11.3% higher, and today is only 3.8% higher. So I guess the street didn't like that. And then we have the RCM and TIPP Economy Optimism Index, and that was previous was 47.9. Consensus was 48.2, and the actual number is 47.2. So it came at 1% lower.
Wow.
So then we don't have any more numbers until 10:35. Mussolini is gonna be talking at 10:35. Then at 1 we have the 30 years bond options. We have, if I'm not mistaken, that's the one that affect a lot the rates interest for housing.
Okay.
So it's the 30 or the 20. We're gonna have to check that out. But yeah, let's see. So yeah, this thing is holding the level by the penny one more time. I will assume that's fake. What about you? What trades do you have? I saw you
So-
had a lot of trades before.
Yeah, so, well, all my numbers got filled. So my big fail is Oklo. But INTC, that was 1, 2, 3, 4 partials completely out of the position. So that worked well. TQs, I broke even. So that worked well. Oklo right now seems like it could be reversing. We will see there. I'm going to check the tape. So we've got some strength on SPY, but we've got a position at this moment, and if I remember correctly, that's a position on that's a good level, where it is 692.70.
see if I have anything there because my chart seems to be too clean for a spy. Really, if you want to take a look at INTC just for the fun of it.
Yeah, I know. I went out completely out of it. And watch it go. Incroyable. Eh? So we've got a ginormous position at 47.20. It is very close to there, but it's going to go to 47.50. Incredible. Incredible. So got out of there way too early. On INTC.
Right. So yeah, because
And it's still going.
Yeah.
It's still going. And the price that I got was just absolutely it was pre-market, right? That I put it in 45.50 that I got on INTC.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I see it went down like 30 cents, but then he went very aggressive toward the high side.
Okay.
Yeah, that Google is just crazy. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Okay, so Fed Muslim has spoken and he seems to be very encouraged with the CPI number as well as the housing. And he can see the 2%, the interest rate gravitating to 2%. So very, very positive right now. Comments from the Feds. What is that going to do to the market? We will see. So 942.50 is still there. I'm just going to check the Qs right now. Wow. So, I tried to search to try to find a way to add some charts.
Zach's supposed to be telling us that.
That's true.
Yeah, we forgot to ask him early enough. Tomorrow, I will try to put a note to remember tomorrow first thing.
Oh,
Because he already did it. He had to monitor. Alright, so what do I want to do? What do I want to do?
yeah, it's not the price. Okay. So what do you see as levels, Davey? So on the Qs, I see 55.61. That seems to be strong. We've got a position that could be reversing at 55.50.
Which ones do you prefer? You prefer the Q's level or the SPY level?
Both.
Okay, so for a SPY, right now, let's see, next station. I'm gonna give you next station for each one. So for a SPY here, I have a possible downside to 691.67. 691, roughly 67, roughly 70. 691. Yeah, easy. Very easy.
Okay, so what about, so you've got SPY at 691.
Mm-hmm. 67 or 70. Now we see 67 everywhere. So, yeah, let me know when you're ready for the cues.
So right now, if we're looking at the, so you've got 61, 67, so we've got 692,
So
692, 70 to 40.
Yeah, like that shouldn't hold. So I'm gonna clear all my lines for SPY. So delete all the lines. And I'm gonna keep the one I see just right now. So I think SPY, if it's going to reverse, it's gonna be around there. Around there. So let's see how it goes. That's my target toward the downside for SPY.
Okay.
And the other one you say was TQQ. Yeah, Apple is still under the water. So I'm just gonna go back to TQQ and then I talk about Apple. Yeah, the Qs might be at the bouncing spot. If it doesn't hold that 55.63, so 55.63 is one of the levels.
Okay.
Right there, there is a level. And the other is at 55.47. 47 right there. And if it doesn't hold the 55.47, that's a trade that I wouldn't be able to hold because it's gonna get flushy below there if ever. Alright, so and the other one I want to check it was Apple. So is Apple below 259? Let's see. No, is it? What do you think it is the price? 260. It's that's a good price to buy Apple.
Okay, so
In my opinion, you know, it's just like watch out. Look at our disclaimer. Like basically, any trade that we talk about here is just our opinion. So it's looking good. It's looking good, Apple for the long for sure. Google 337.60. So is Google gonna eat my target tomorrow?
okay, so Davey, talk to me about you said Google?
Mm-hmm.
Is Google gonna hit your target? What do you mean by that? What's happening with Google?
We printed 340 with 50 cents today. So my target is 346. So like right now apparently the seller is gone.
and Google's 2.16. Okay, so now we've got the Qs. So the Qs has reached the level of 55.50 for me. That was a reversal, a possible reversal right there. So it wicked by the penny, but the big position at 55.50 on the Qs did not get filled. Incredible. So we've got a 1463 lot at that level.
If you are patient, you may get there.
Mm-hmm. I believe you are correct. So I would like to
Basically,
get.
this is the price that he's talking about: 55.46, 55.50.
Mm-hmm. So we will take a small position there at 55.50 and see, taking a little bite, see what is going to happen there. The size might reject it, but we still have the positions on SPY at 692.40, and ooh, look at that. The level that you were talking about, Davey, at 691.80 is still there. Okay, Qs are on the way to 55.50 on deck.
So I came out all of Nvidia,
Okay.
and I have a weird plan now, but like we're gonna go little by little. So pop another high INTC. So I'm gonna start loading INTC. This is gonna be long year, but like I wanna see it going against me. So I want INTC to pop like a dollar more probably.
Okay.
We're gonna short the crap out of it.
So you shorted INTC?
Yeah, and I have orders to keep loading.
Okay.
So
For me, it's we've got a big position at 47.80.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be my short for INTC. So we got the Qs.
As I say. Shouldn't sleep that long on that one, but like, we are doing good. So right away,
$691.50, and that was the level of SPY that Davey gave a little bit earlier. And
like I said, I don't have that key anymore. I got it. So I'm gonna stay put there. Let's see.
Are you printing?
Not much right now, but yes. Do you have any good stories for me? No? No stories for me? Oh man.
Oh man.
We're gonna have to hire a comedian here because you know sometimes we just get bored.
So, if we're looking at Spy,
INTC trying to hold the 47. Nice bid at the 47, but piercing by 1 cent. You print 46.99. 46.99 one more time. 98. Heavy bid at the 47 one more time. It's holding okay.
yeah, 47.50 on INTC still there. We'll see. Ow.
Okay.
Yes. Good coffee.
Nice.
Good empanadas.
Yeah, empanadas with coffee is pretty good. Probably not healthy, but yeah, still good. Take a vacation to the Caribbean.
Your lovely wife told me 40 days.
It's less than that. The counter say 38.
Do you still have INTC?
Yeah, it's looking quite bullish right now, so a bit concerned about that short. But I have to be patient. Did you see a spy with my target?
I'm telling you, I just said that. I said, look at Davey, his target, the 691.80 to 691.50. Oof, still there.
Straight down.
Really good call. Okay, so if we're looking at the sector map, quite mixed,
Oh yeah.
but we have some sectors that are bright, bright red. Financial's one of them. So financial is quite red. We've got in the technology sector, Microsoft, Oracle, PLPR, Nvidia, red. MU, red. QCOM, red. Apple's flat right now. Amazon's red. But we've got a bright, bright green out there, and that would be Google. Google, AVGO, AMD, and Intel. Intel is just, wow. How strong is that? Do you know what Gale is? GAL?
It sounds, but no. Let's see. How did you spell it? You say?
GAL.
GGAL.
Hmm?
No. It looks like a Galicia Financial Institution.
GAL?
There is no GAL, there is only GGAL.
Okay, no, I've got it here. It's GAL.
Let me see.
GAL.
State Street Global Allocation ETF. Yeah, that's the right name. State Street Global Allocation ETF.
It's number one in Arval.
Yeah, but have zero volume, so there's nothing going through. So somebody bought one share of that.
Okay.
I see your clothes. You are trading on Covenant.
Yeah. What a drop, eh?
Yeah. I don't know, like INTC have a tendency to do kind of a similar move every day. So, especially when you have a decent pop like today. But let's see. I'm glad I came out of Nvidia because yes, it moved on my favor more, but like not by a lot, you know. So why would I stay there?
What?
I'm thinking like if I decide to go out of Google, let's say by tomorrow or something like that, by this week,
Mm-hmm.
I could be probably selling too early. But like still like it's not like if I am selling it to not buy something else, I will be selling Google to buy Apple.
Okay.
So
Interesting.
yeah, like it's just to keep the cash flow. You remember I told you that like my goal was to cash faster instead of holding for longer.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So let me tell my wife to put that order.
Okay. Spy, what a nice bounce there. So we had a level at 692.40, but ooh, that was a beautiful, beautiful reversal on Spy right there. Nice pop. We've got the RSI that gains strength, really big strength right there. And see what it's going to do.
My brother from another mother. I see what, like, I like what you're saying, but what I don't like is that it didn't touch the levels. Like, for example, yes, Nvidia did, but the SPY didn't really test it. So it could be reliable, but I don't like to go too confident when they haven't touched it yet, because it's like if they kind of don't know if the strength is there or not. Yeah, Dumbo.
Well said. Though we've got a strong RSI, doesn't mean that the trend is reversed, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna be breaking even on my. It might be a mistake, but it's just like INTC is the strongest stock that I see right now. Like that thing is still 6.5% up. So right now, in my opinion, it have moved enough that I have to be breaking even. So is that true? No, that's not true. You know. So it's okay. Let's wait for it. It having across the opening range, the top of the opening range. And normally I like to wait for it to get to the station, the next station, before I decide to move my stop loss. So if I move it ahead, then I'm gonna be prematurely step out,
Okay.
and then it's not gonna be functional. So let's just wait for it to go below 46.75, and then I can say that I have reasons to move it to break even. Or it will just get me out, which is okay as well. Though I have a little more risk on that one. I'm kind of pyramiding in there for my previous profit, so it doesn't seem like if it has a lot of momentum to go to the VWAP, especially with the SPY pumping. Do you have any trade, Marie?
I've got TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
And same with Oklo. I still have Oklo from the beginning. So, like Davey said, so when we're looking at the Qs or we're looking at SPY, we've had a significant pop there. Went to the levels. So right now SPY is interacting with in the 1 minute. It's the 50 EMA. And very close to the Qs the same. We've got strength on the tape though. So we're halfway to the VWAP retracing. Let's see what's going to happen there. So Davey's focus, what are you focusing on, Davey?
I'm reading the print for INTC. Basically, there was a decent order at 47.00, so that offer got lifted. So, but then we have a decent order at a price that I don't want to be there if we break through. So I am breaking even now because 47.07 has a decent lot. So if you break through 47.07, I don't want to be on that trade. Probably I can get the short again, but like I need to get it somewhere else. Not where I have it right now. So 40.10, it left the order like if there was nothing. So this thing keep just going higher and higher. So I remember Marie say you have somebody at 47.50. So if we hold through again, I will be looking to go short, but at a higher price. So I'm just breaking even because it makes no sense to take a loss when I see the price action so bullish. So if you see there, I had two reasons. Like before, I had the reason to not move my stop loss, but now I have a reason to move my stop loss even when it didn't get to my price.
Okay, so here what we're going to do is we're going to see if there's going to be a lower low. And let's go. That seems to be finding a little bit of support there. We'll see what's going to happen there.
So basically, I short the NTC right here. So right now I'm breaking even because I say I don't have reasons to hold for a loss, because I saw a very decent bullish action right here on the tape. So let's see who's gonna win the battle there, but like it's for sure fighting. Marie has TKQ and Oklo.
So,
So you are long in both of them?
so right now we've got Mr. T talking about Mr. Powell.
That doesn't go good normally, but
So that's why I said it. Be careful. We know the mudslunging that can happen.
It's just crazy, you know. All right, so is the INTC a trade to hold for a little bit? Nah, I'm not saying swing, but like just hold for maybe a little bit. Oh yeah. Dropping.
Okay, so we've got a little bit of consolidation there. So SPY's holding the VWAP. 693, not the VWAP.
Yeah, I say like what?
It's like, what?
Like the VWAP is so far on the SPY right now. It might be a good reason why it could bounce a little bit aggressive, but if you say that Mr. Trump have the mic, so we're gonna have to wait, because this can do anything pretty much. So yeah, let's see. Right now, SPY is rejecting the 400 moving average, which is that pink line here. What is that noise going on in there? Is your computer?
What's going on?
Your computer is doing toom. You don't hear it? Like you will see. It will do it again probably. I've done it about 3 times. You
It
see?
says to add the device, but
Yeah, it's funny. I think it's my watch. You have the Bluetooth on?
let me go into my enter. Yep.
I think I know how to do that.
Off. I'm good.
You good?
Yep. That's okay. Bluetooth off. Fix everything.
All right. INTC, what happened to you, my guy? Yeah, some sweet volume just came in right there for INTC. It's funny how sometimes you just mention the thing and it just wag it the other way. Yeah, but there's no reason to hold right there, so
4650 has not been filled. Wow.
yeah, that's why I say there is no reason to hold there because it looks like if he's alone there. So there is a buyer at 46.50 with 418 share lot. So and yeah, normally that's not a lot for a day like today. Let's see.
So the sector map is definitely turning from mixed to red. So we've got Microsoft, Oracle, PLTR, red, and Microsoft is in 2% red. Apple is 0.12. Then we've got Nvidia, 0.43 in negative, but one that's holding well is Broadcom at 0.66 AVGO, and we've got AMD and INTC. INTC just going kaboom. And when we're looking at the communication service, Google is top on the leader, which is Davies Trade.
Yeah, that's a good trade for sure. Like if you have enough money, swing trading make no sense, you know. But like I'm not there. I don't have that much money. But like what I'm saying, like for imagine that you are like one of those rich guys that is just swinging like that. It's like, why would you do day trading? But as I say, it's not my case. I know that it could be the future, but it's just it makes no sense. Doo-doo-dum. I will be coming out of Google tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Like I mean, if he does another pop, like if Google do another pop, I'm gonna be out. So by the end of the day, I'm gonna be moving my exit to the high, the previous high. There is a very famous trader. His name is John Carter.
Mm.
He's known for like that, like as a day trader or as a retail trader. This guy made like I think it was like 5 to 7 million in just one trade on Google. Like there is a like that trade. If you look in YouTube, he explained what he did, and like it's in a couple books too. Like if you read books and things like about trading, some people are gonna talk about it, and like yeah, that was insane. So I'm gonna put my first partial for INTC at 46.
Good job.
Like that, I don't have to look at it. So there we go. 46.06 actually. It's popping up quite high right now, INTC. So probably gonna be wrong. Let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Ooh la la. Ay, 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 look at the way INTC just turned back.
Look at the way that the Q's popped up. Okay.
I have a technical price, so I'm gonna stay put there. If you get me out, I won't cry about it, don't worry.
I don't know. You are a crier.
I used to be.
You?
I think we grow thick skin with time.
Well, look at this reversal, Davey. On the market. So $55 on the QQ.
Yeah, you had the other side of it. You have the loan.
Yeah, and $6.92 on the 40. And $6.92.40 for SPY. Let's go. Okay, so 55.50. We've reached a little bit of consolidation on the Qs. RSI, definitely a good pop on the RSI. And let's go. Okay, so when we're looking at the levels for SPY, definitely we're looking at retesting that VWAP. A VWAP retracement, we'll see what's going to happen after that. Is it going to go through or is it going to reject? I am long, I am pleased that I did not go out.
Do you have any good joke for me? No.
No. No jokes. You?
No. Nope, 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 nope.
Okay.
The only thing for those trades that I take as a swing trade, like sometimes like you look like if you're a good trader, but you are not, because like I mean, not that you are not, but like basically it's like what I'm buying there is things that I have been telling Marie. If they lose 50%, I'm not doing anything. I just don't care about it. It's because it's the Max 7, so it's a solid investment that you one day, even if it's 10 years after, you will recuperate whatever. But yeah. And for you to lose 50% overnight, we have to go probably to war or something like that. That hopefully doesn't happen.
You had to say it. Ah.
Like if you lose 50% in there because you go to war, I'm pretty sure you have other concerns.
You have other concerns?
Of course. If the whole economy drop off 50%, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be concerned about other things than money.
Ah. Okay. That's what you mean. I think the one that has a lot of money will be worried about the money.
Yeah, the one
Let's
that have a lot of
go.
money, but like, I'm lucky I'm not there. So,
Okay. I like what the market is doing right now. We've got we had a little bit of consolidation there, but the RSI is definitely maintaining. So let's look at what that looks like when we're looking at the tape.
the tape for NTC is saying that it has some possibilities toward the upside.
Okay.
So I'm going against the grain here. So, and the only reason why I keep holding that trade is because I am breaking even. So I have a level like there is 47 when heavy enough that is acting as a wall right now. It doesn't mean it couldn't get broken, but it will take a little bit more effort than that. So, but if you break 47, then 47.16 means nothing to it. So I should be out right away. Though, because I was looking at the print exactly when Maria asked, like, David, what are you doing that you are so focused? I was looking at the print and I remember there was a heavy seller at 47.07 and 47.10. So those two guys may still protect my 47.16, but it's not enough for me to decide to take risk. So if you get me out, I will be looking for a better entry. If I don't get a better entry, I'm gonna be done for the day. Or I can go and trade another ticket. Like right now, Nvidia, I think it held pretty well my level. So NVDA, yeah, I have 47.76, 183.76. Went all the way up. Now holding even the VWAP. So yeah, possibly going to 185.27. So there's gonna be other fish to fry if this one is not there or not working.
Okay.
Did you notice that SPY? You don't have it. But SPY reject by the penny the pre-market low. So doesn't mean a lot yet because it's very close to it yet. Let's see.
What?
Yeah, if you see here, this line here, the 649.01 is the
649.
600. Oh, 694. My bad.
Okay.
694 was 01 cent. It was the pre-market low, and that's where SPY actually just took a little nap or a snap toward the downside here. But like in the 5 minutes, it's looking more consistent. Though in the 1 minute, I can see that they didn't try much. You know, they didn't try to pierce it by much. Okay, so were you
So-
saying something? Sorry.
I was looking at SPY saying, are we still mute? Or
No, we are not mute
Okay.
anymore. But you want me to
Okay,
mute?
so no, so SPY is did not make a higher high. Your 694 that you mentioned to the penny there. We are entering a little bit of consolidation because when it popped the first time, after making that low at practically 692, we've got 693.63, and that's where it's consolidating. So we will see how that goes. What I am pleased to see, because I am in the long, we've got the RSI that is maintaining very well.
All right. Like, to be honest, I didn't expect the market to go, and I don't expect the market to go too low right now, especially because it went very close to the level.
Mm-hmm.
But the concern I have is the same, like why we didn't print it, like why we didn't print the level that is still there, like that blue line there. When I asked, when we were talking about it, was I went to see it if it was there at the moment, and if
It
I
was.
if I look at it in here, I can show you here.
Let's go.
Like it's still in there for sure. If you look at SPY here, that's it's 691.68. So it's right that level there. You see that it looks like a step.
Mm-hmm. And a thin one.
Yeah. So it is very bullish, but here there is not enough to hold.
Mm-hmm.
So or it clear toward the higher, or you go here. And when you go here, what you will find is that all the buyers that got here, they are still willing to buy more. So, but if you didn't test it, it doesn't know if this is still valid. and that's like there is when it goes and you erase that or readjust it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Yeah, I was talking with Roman yesterday, and like I don't know how to say Roman in English.
Roman.
Roman, okay, Roman. In Spanish, it's Roman. So that's a friend that trade futures. So he was asking me if when we gonna be trading futures, like with the Top Step, if we're gonna be showing our trades in the channel.
Mm-hmm.
I say no, we are not. But like, I actually gave me the idea. Why not? Like, I can bring that chart there, and also share those trades. Especially because if I got to be disciplined enough, that trading that I'm gonna be doing there is very very different to the day trading that you see me doing here. Because they in my head they are separate and they have different objective. So
Yep.
yeah. But let's see. Yeah.
Yep.
If for sure I will try to bring it there.
Okay, so now we've got SPY pulling back there. RSI is still holding. We'll see. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm cold.
Okay. You swallow it. I unmute. The guy started showing their P&Ls. Look at that was Roman. We were just talking about him. He just showed up there
Oh, nice.
today.
Absolutely. So the levels in the futures are very, very different.
Yes. I don't know if you hear Zach, but Zach say that he doesn't follow SPY when in the futures when he's trading them. Like he's looking at SPY, but when he go and he look at the two charts, the levels in the futures are different than the levels on like they just look different. Like the same thing you're saying. So it's basically like I have heard, but the things I have been touching here is not necessarily the same. So I will have to wait to get Top Step for me to know. Okay, it is that way or it is this way. So let's see. Like this is so weird. Like, but it's true. I have like, and if you look through the streamings, like you will find me telling like there is a big seller dumping it on Google. There is a big seller dumping it Google. I have said it so many times since I got the trade. And like I say, I cannot wait for the day that the seller is gonna be gone or is gonna be obliterated. Seller is gone, and you look the twins of. It's like, what the heck was that, my guy? You know.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. It's dropping like a hard rock.
Yeah, now we're talking.
About what?
Let's go. Push it, push it.
So I just want to take a quick look at Nvidia. I will want to short Nvidia one more time. I will assume it's a little bit more bullish, so I'm gonna wait for the 86. So I'm gonna try to go short on Nvidia at 186. I actually have a line, if I'm not mistaken, at 185.71. Is that correct? Oh yeah, we do 187.71. I can short it there too if I want to.
You gotta recenter here.
Hey, hey.
Oh mon Dieu.
Cole?
But it's a sad thing to say, but I had a little bit of a sore throat, and last night during the night I woke up a few times coughing, and I'm thinking it could be just that, like my body.
It's chilly on the lower, like in your feet. It is cold wind coming from here.
Well, I put them up.
A centimeter, like maybe that, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I know. It's like it's not
I
up
don't see
into
the
the
gain
sky.
on that one, you know.
You know, it's about two.
But you know, I will solve that. Like I just have to look a couple things because like I have to calculate because I cannot just erase it. I cannot just erase it. It's like the reason why we are so cold right now. You know why it is?
You see,
I find that out. It's just like, of course it makes sense.
That's the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that like it's no.
That's the intake.
That's the intake, but like when the furnace is not working, there is no suction by there.
No.
So because there is no suction, the little air that come back
Drops.
Oh, that put up a question there.
Okay. This is good.
Oh, that's an easy solution.
What's the solution, David?
To put a one-way valve. A flap that will let the air go in, but not go out.
Oh yeah, not come back in. That's a good idea. You're right.
That's the first one we're gonna try.
Okay. That's a good idea. Okay, so we've got SPY that is answers trace and testing the view up, but it did it with such slow gentleness. You know what, Marie? How about just taking a partial? Okay. Let me see where. Okay, 55.80. I should actually put it there. At 55.80 to take my partial. Ooh, so Spy right now is interacting with the. Wow, that's a 200. So we've got the 200 EMA, we've got the Anchor VWAP and the VWAP right there. It's around 694.25.
Now it's gonna come down a bit because of the just tired.
They what?
It's gonna be less cold now because it just started the heater.
Mm.
This is 6 inches one, so let's see.
Okay, so I've put my partial. So we're going to be taking my partial at the point of entry, funny enough, 55.80.
Look, this is what we need. We allow it to go one way, but not the other.
Yep.
We have a little sprint,
Mm-hmm.
so once it has airflow,
Fluck.
you
Fluck. Mm-hmm.
gonna get it back to the car. Oh my gosh. Is this Friday a witching Friday?
No.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
The first was Thursday, so the second was Friday, the 9th was Friday, and now it's the 16th. It's a Friday, it's a third Friday.
Wow.
So it is a witching Friday. That's convenient for my my Google. And yeah.
Okay, so at 11 we've got okay, so the Qs are holding the 200 EMA. Consolidating a little bit there. The sector map right now is going back to mix.
Mix.
Yep. With Spy there, with that.
Going back to
pocket
Mexico?
Spy.
Mexico. Did you see that Mexico is moving troops to the north?
Oish. No.
Yeah, that was yesterday. Sheinbaum had a little talk with Trump, and if the two presidents talk and one of them is moving troops to the north, I don't know. I don't know what to expect, you know. So, man, it's this where we are at right now. INTC doesn't seem to be wanting to drop more than that, but that's Nvidia. There we go. Come on, INTC. Yeah, it's hogging the VWAP a little bit too much. Too much interaction here at the VWAP. So I'm expecting it to drop a bit more. I'm just gonna double check that INTC is not building up a level right there. No, it's not, so we are okay.
We're still short.
Yep. SPY had a solid rejection at the pre-market low, so but we need to wait for it to move away from it.
To the penny VWAP.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Marie.
What?
I hear you saying tabaknush.
It didn't do nothing.
It's at 77 right now.
Wow, look at that wick. We've got tape acceleration here. Huge. Okay, I was gonna get out of the position I'm holding. I'm breaking even, but wow, what a spike there. Did you see that?
Yeah, basically Marie's talking about a SPY. So look at what happened on the SPY right here. Very nasty wick toward the downside. Wicked quite bad.
Wow. Okay, so we got some good volume that came in at 11:25. A big spike in the market. I'm not sure. Did you see the same spike for
A SPY?
INTC?
No,
No.
he respond to it, but like he did decent.
Okay.
But like no, didn't react with the same momentum. So
Okay.
so basically, I will start wrapping it up, Marie.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see what we did today. So we had a short on Nvidia. That short, it was a overnight short. So we liquidated right here. So that was good price to be out. So then we trade INTC. We took an INTC short. The INTC short was here. Like I am breaking even on that short. Like and look how it's popping now. So that might be just a mistake. But because I'm breaking even, I'm kind of like okay with it, you know. So I probably will reload it if we print a higher high. But right now, yeah, it's not looking like shortish anymore. Like look at that size coming at. That was Nvidia, sorry. The tape on Nvidia. The chart is INTC, but the tape was Nvidia. So there is a decent seller at 46.87 right here. So yeah, but let's see if he's able to hold or not. So I have different threshold, like basically 47.00 there was a decent seller, 47.07 there was a decent seller as well, and 47.10. So we just have to wait and see. If we are wrong, we are risking nothing there, so we're just gonna be out with no money from it after it was printing good. But yeah, that's part of the process, you know, so you have to be kind of friendly with it. So yeah, and I have that problem where I hold sometimes for too long. But yeah, that's it for me. Green day here, and yeah, I will keep it cool, I will keep it quiet, and whatever the market wants to do, I'm just gonna try to hear it. So what about you, Marie?
Okay, so I started the day by placing orders in INTC, Oklo, and TQQ. So when I'm looking at INTC, I placed my order at INTC at 45.50. Got it exactly.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, that was beautiful. 45.50, couple of wicks below. And then I took a partial at 46.20. took a double partial at 46.50 and 60, and came out of my position at 46.70. Wah, wah, wah. So definitely early out of that position, but that was a good one. So this one was a 5-6 our trade. So then we got Oklo. So Oklo, I had put my order in Oklo for a long at 105. I got my long at 105. So
That was right here.
So that's not good. I still have it there. I like the fact that it found a bottom there at 99. I am going to be holding it. That's a big loss right now. So let's see what we're able to do with that one.
What?
Hey,
You still have that one?
I still have that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was a little too busy with the futures, but yeah, I'm gonna ask you something after too. So what I did, TQQ, that was great. That was an order that I placed pre-market.
Ooh la la,
So
yeah.
I got the
Back.
TQs at 55.80 for the long, but did not take any partial and broke even on that one. So got me out. I went back into the long at 55.35. And right now I was able to take 1R, and now I'm 4R into the trade.
Nice.
So that went very, very well. The futures, that was actually one of my first today. And that I actually, as Davey said, we're going to need to be a little bit, to know our levels a little bit better, and to be able to have, how do we say, reliable historical levels to be able to trade the futures. So right now I have placed a level there, which I find it was pretty big at 6983. So 6983, that should have been my long, but I kept going long, and I started at the 7,000. So yeah, I gave it, but you know what? I've got some good risk management in there. I give it 4. It worked, obviously, for the first pop. I was able to take 2 partials, but then I tried it 4 times after that, and I'm out. So tomorrow is another day, but we still need to work on that, definitely.
Okay. Nice. So that's it for you.
That's it for me.
Right. So I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody's trading the best you can. So yeah, we're gonna be back tomorrow. This market's a little bit sketchy, a little bit interesting too, but you know it's
Interacting well with the VWAP.
yeah, doing a lot of things. So I